Our case is in re Enovix Corporation securities litigation. The case is a securities fraud class action. It alleges in broad strokes that Enovix made false and misleading statements to the market about its battery manufacturing process, and that those statements artificially inflated Enovix's stock. There is something difficult about coming into a case and taking it over from another firm when you weren't a part of the initial strategy or the pleading stage briefing from the beginning. One strategic decision we made was to file a Rule 12C motion for judgment on the pleadings. And what makes that decision extra interesting here is that a team of associates, myself included, came up with this idea having studied the complaint and realized that there were some discrepancies that needed to be brought to the judge's attention. We drafted very strong briefs. We filed the 12C and we won. And the result of that victory was that only one alleged false statement was left in the case. And that is really what paved the way for us to be successful on our opposition to plaintiff's class certification motion. By staffing our teams the way that we do, and by allowing lawyers who are not partners to take a meaningful role in cases, we are drawing on untapped talent. And that ultimately results in a stronger team, stronger, more effective work product, more efficiency. Those are things that you find here that you don't find at other firms. Quinn Emanuel was best positioned to win this case for two primary reasons. The first is that we are trial lawyers through and through. And that does not just mean being a great trial lawyer when it comes time for trial. That means building your case as if it's going to trial, which requires a certain type of creativity and strategic thinking at every stage of the case. The second is that Quinn Emanuel is not afraid to take calculated and smart risks. And oftentimes you have to take risks to achieve the greatest possible successes for your client. And that's what we did here.